afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Ma'am April.
Okay, so may I request everyone to continue standing and Ms. Igel, can you lead? Let us pray.
Holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Okay, good morning once again, class. Now, before you take your seats, kindly look into your chairs and balconies again. And take places of paper. Once you're done, you can now take your seats. Okay, so good morning once again. I hope you're doing fine. Okay, so is anybody absent for today? None? Okay, very good. That's a very good attitude. Keep that attitude. Now, I would like everyone to please read our classroom rules because it's very important, and I hope you will remember this and apply this throughout our session for today. Okay, so everyone kindly read.
Respect and be kind to your classmates and to your teachers. Listen actively. Follow instructions and participate in activities. Use polite and respectful language at all times.
Yes, always respect your classmates and also your teacher, and you must listen actively in class, okay? So, dapat kayo magpupungalay sa likod, kayo magtabi, alright? And use polite and respectful language in all class, okay? And if you have questions or if you want to answer, please raise your hand. Do not speak in chorus. Am I understood?
Yes.
Okay, so now, let us review our past lesson. So, ang lesson kagahapon is all about context clues. It's figuring out what each word means. Okay, so can somebody summarize our lesson yesterday? Yes, Miss Ashley.
It helps us understand what we read more easily.
Okay, very good. It helps us understand what are the meaning of the words. Okay, so ito siya naghapon later about suffixes. We even use dictionaries. Okay, so let's give Miss Ashley a big round of applause. For today, do you want to have an activity?
Yes.
Yes? Number two, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so our activity for now is I will be flashing a set of flashcards, and this kind of word, this set of words, you're gonna give an example na relates to it. Like for example, when I say holiday, you're gonna say Christmas or New Year, relate ang word. If I say Valentine's Day, say love letters, flowers, so may lain. Chocolate. So nangyari chocolates ninyo?
Wala.
Okay, okay, so, okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So for the first word here, can you read?
Season.
Okay, so kung nanay siya. 1, 2, 3, yes. Winter, very good. Another hand. Summer, very good. Another, yes. Spring, sa kalain. Autumn, very good. Okay, so are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
For the next word we have flowers. Yes. Tulips. Yes. Rose. Kita na mo rose?
Yes.
Okay. Sunflower. Yes. Very good. Are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
James. Okay. Yes. Mobile Legends. Very good. Good luck. Good luck mo, good luck?
Yes.
Diba?
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Gawa kayo. Good luck, mana?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next, we have school. so our last, ay, wala siya last. Okay, so can somebody tell me kung saan niya siya works? Does it does it specify something or basin broad siya nga idea? Is it broad or specific? Yes? Anong broad siya? Yes, it's a broad statement. Diba? In other terms, general statement. Okay, so are you ready for our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so our lesson for today is familiar money.
Yes.
Painting by Van Gogh. Are you a fan of Van Gogh? Yeah. So our topic for today is all about can everybody read?
Distinguishing general and specific statements.
Now, does someone have any idea kung saan na siya? Yes, Dali. Wala, okay. How about you, Bea? Saan ang general statement of statement? Okay, so anong general and specific statement is but for now, let me first introduce you sample objectives. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, we will define and identify general and specific statements in the text. So currently, wala pang answer ko na siya, pero after sa atong lesson karon, maka-identify na na. And then kami explain the difference between general and specific statements. So based on our previous activity, kalis mo, and further, I explain na ninyo well kung isa dyan ang general and specific statements. And here we have recognized the importance of distinguishing general and specific statements. So, ano yung importante na makabuta ang general and specific statements, ma'am? Akan niyo siya magamit. Diba? Dapat na pumunta na, magamit ako rin sa everyday life, ma'am? Magamit ba? Yes. Magamit. Pero, let me okay, so distinguishing general and specific statements. So, ilan ang follow? Okay. So, a general statement, everybody?
A general statement gives a broad idea or the main topic. It covers a whole group or a main idea.
Yes. Okay.
Example, fruits are healthy.
Yes, a general statement gives a broad idea from its term, general. So, general siya, like, dili siya specific, kay general man siya, di ba? Like, dako kayo siya o scope, di ba? So, dili niyo siya ma-differentiate kung asa siya because it's a concept. Like, the wide kayo siya mga idea, right? For example, fruits are healthy. Wala man siya specify kung what fruit is it, right? Wala siya niingon kung ano siya mga fruit, tropical fruit ba? Or what's siya mga fruit, right? So, yan niyon is fruits are healthy. And it is understood that fruits are healthy. Wala may fruits na kadawat, no? Right? Right. So, now you know general statement. And can somebody give me an example of general statement? Okay, somebody? Yes. Padernalis. Mr. Padernalis. Could you give me an example of a general statement? Any broad na
Basis of those the basis of those conduct verification
Kenosha is an example of general statement. And let's give a big round of applause. Can someone ask an example? Yes?
Vegetables are happy.
Vegetables are healthy. Is that a general statement?
Yes.
You're the good one. Is that a general statement? Yes. And it's also a fact, right? Because vegetables are healthy. And kana siya, general statement siya is because wala niya specify kung sa nga vegetable. Okay, so that's na ang general statement. Okay, now, let's define specific statement. So try to read this flow.
Specific statement may be
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
A specific statement gives details or examples about the topic. Example: mangoes are rich in vitamin C and help boost your immune system.
Very good, thank you for that. Specific statement. Diri na itong detalyado ng mga statements. Like, for example, mangoes are rich in vitamin C and help boost your immune system. Diba? Specific siya. Wala siya ningon na mangoes are green or yellow or can help your immune system. Iyang specify yun na mangoes have rich in vitamin C. Muna siyang specific details. Okay? Detalyado siya. Ngayon, no. Detalyado ang specific general is broad. Okay. Can somebody give me an example of a specific statement? Hindi na punta nga tayo. How about at the back? Can somebody give me an example? Any specific lang? Mamakitaan sa inyong palibot. Pwede kang mayroon dito I have a pet, Maku, and he is cute, fluffy, and small. Yan ang mga specific statements. Yes?
Egg is rich in protein.
Yes, very good. Eggs are rich in protein. So specific siya, di ba? Kaya wala mo siya din ito the egg is rich in specific siya. It's because detail and yun siya dito nga ang egg is rich in protein. Specific to siya dili. Specific. Ano mo specific? Yes. Yes. Ha?
Examples about the topic.
Yes. Iyang i-describe kung sa ang egg, pinasya protein, diba? Okay, can somebody give me another example pa? Sige.
Bananas are high in potassium.
Yes, bananas are high in potassium. Specific to siya, why?
Banana.
Yes, it is describing that the banana is high in potassium. Wala mo siya dito ito nga, banana is this. Yan ang i-detail yun nga. Rich in potassium siya, di ba? So, okay, could somebody share their understanding kung sa general statement and specific statement? Sige, una sa general statement. Kung sa may maka-explain kung sa ilang nabalaan, kung sa ng general statement. Yes, yeah. Ikaw lang, isang brief lang na explanation. Or one sentence lang, ano? General yes, very good. Broad lang siya ang general statement. For example, Don Emilio Macias Memorial National High School is a big school. Diba? Wala siya na-specify dito pila ka estudyante. Wala siya na-specify o pila ang diba? Or measurement sa school. Diba? Yun na siya ito nga Don Emilio Macias Memorial National High School is big. isa pa lain maka-share kung unsa ang specific statement. Yes, yes.
Ang specific is direct to the point or binigyan ko siya na ano yung specific?
Can you give an example?
Ryzen kay Anne.
Sige, sige.
Smart.
Hansa. Ay, gadol mo siya. So, Ryzen is smart, handsome,
Kind and
pretty. Okay, let's give a big round of applause. Ryzen daw kay smart, handsome, kind, polite. So, dagay siyang details, diba? Dili lang kay Rol. Pero siya ningon ito nga, Ryzen is a good kid. Iyang ningon dito nga, smart siya. So, dagan po ito, diba? Dagan siya, details. So, mo siya specific statement. Now, to further understand your learnings, let us have an activity. So, in this activity, I will be handling each group a set of envelopes. So, inside this envelope, na siya paper strips. The consist, and yung sunod siya of general statements, idagan siya, o specific statements. Now, ang inyong buhaton, kay inyong i-pair ang general statements o specific statements. So, kinsay daghan, or kung kinsay daghang correct, mooy naon. Okay? So, this will be group 1, and this will be group 2. So, can I have your representatives to get this? Yes. Lower. Here. Lower. Group 2. Okay. So, I will give you 5 minutes, and you should work together para dali. Kay padaghanay niya siya o sakto, okay? So, your time starts now. Okay, ako mga po ng instruction. Kailangan sunod sa envelope, there are general statements and specific statements. Na inyong i-pair ang general at specific statements na parehong concept. For example, talk about ang plans ang general. Hindi lang ang based on tagawin mo plans. We have 3 minutes left.
Sa
Okay, so remember that general statement is there of Okay, you have 20 seconds Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please go back to your proper seat. Okay, so for group 1, pilain yung mga pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 8 pairs for group 2. And how about for group 1? Pila ka pairs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Okay, sige nga. Okay, check. Pass it. Kamu may kapadali? Work together money? Gaway. Okay, so let's give a big round of applause for group 1 because they experienced 8 of buo. So, nagawin pa yung teacher ni ma'am? 8 na. Oo, okay. Pila ka buo? 8 ka buo.
Saan naman kasi?
Check. Ito ba?
Adam.
Wala sa'yo.
Oh no! Balik na ka ba? Wala sa tawag.
Hey, let's give a big round of applause for the group. Tiebreaker. Sawat man eh. Sige. Ay na lang. Ang tiebreaker na to, kay dapat na yung sa representative dire o dire, kaya sila may mag-match dire sa bahay. Okay? Okay, dire sa group
Daloy.
Denmark.
Erika. 3, 1, 2, 3. Alam, sige, group ko na daw. So, namoy hirap. Matag sa general statement, matag sa specific statement. Diba? Sige. Punhanay ha, kamay sa dibdib. Ang tawag yung question. Kamuha, gato, face. Sige. For round 1, give me a specific statement about dogs are friendly.
Dogs are friendly because
Five.
they comfort me when I have
Yes! Door. Dili siya statement kay nagagamit ng hal. Pero madala rin ba? Sige, madala rin siya. So, 1.4, group 1.
Loy ka lang po.
Okay, so for round 2. Sea creatures. 1, 2, 3, go. Sea creatures. Ganito siya. Third line, third line.
Shell, starfish, fish, shark, dolphin.
Okay, okay. Tayo na mo. Octopus. Sige, ganyan lang kayo. Ganyan lang kayo. Holidays. 1, 2, 3. Isa. Sige. May tutok ha. Malisan. Colors. Wala. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Yellow.
Gamay sa dibdib. Pagkako. Okay, 1. Line up on. Heroes. 1, 2, 3, go. Good one. Heroes. Naman ang Heroes. Sige, another. Ilan three? Okay. So last round. Okay, kamay sa dibdib. NBA players. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's get a big round of applause. Today is group 1 and group 2. Let's give a big round of applause for group. Okay, so puhan-puhan mag-in sa punta. But now, since kay na naman may idea kung saan general statement o specific statement, so mag-bagama ko ninyo kung another na activity. But before that, can anybody summarize kung saan general statement o specific statement? For 5 points, isa. Standing in dito to siya.
Diversity is a prometheus. And specifically is that this is jumbo. It's a summarize details of the statement.
Okay. So, general statement daw kay Rod siya. And ang specific statement kay details. Yes, not siya specific details. Like, yung PI, ito
Here.
Okay, mga try specific statement. Now, makatag og specific statement, kamoy makatag og general statement. Ha? Wala yung one mo siya independent clause, dependent clause mo siya. So, sige. Makatag og specific statement and that is Ariel and the Little Mermaid has a red hair and a green tail. Give me a general statement. She's a mermaid. So, general statement ba to? Yes, because she is a mermaid and ang specific statement kay Ariel has a red hair and a green tail. So, tugma ba? Yes. Nag-add ba siya detail sa general statement? Nag-add ba o detail? Yes. Okay, so, karon, feel na ko, ready na mo? And, sige, magpa-activity ko. For a while. Okay, so your activity. Okay, so your activity will be this. So kindly read everyone.
In doing what you love in 5 to 7 sentences, which consists of general and specific statements.
Okay, so namoy 1 half from 5? Wala. Okay, katong wala pa ngayon mo sila. So, ang isang unang side ng mga crosswise is about your dedication in doing what you love. Kung sa inyong kuan ng mga things na passionate mo, kung sa iyong ganahan, sa iyong love in general. It should consist general and specific statements. So, you will have to make 5 to 7 sentences. 5 to 7 sentences. So, if hindi kabot o 5, ma'am, pwede 4. Hindi pwede kaya. Instruction is 5 to 7 sentences. Okay? Nanay hangyo. Sa man inyong mga things na ganahan mo. What is your passion? Hindi pa bakit? Family. Kailan mo inyong family? Ako din na. Baka naman kami yun. Kaya you will have 5 minutes. Please minimize your voice. Five, 4, 3. You will have 4 minutes left. Kasi no extra ballpen. paragraph.
Sample na.
So like for example, I am a youth for Christ. Una siya ay general statement. I am a youth for Christ member in the Guys community. I served for 7 years in the service. I've been active ever since. And padayon, undertaking sa pwede rin na one general statement lang. Say, kumubal kay specific. So, bisa may dili o gitara, dedication man na siya. Bisa yung dili sayaw. Yun ang iwan ito nga, I love dancing. Yung general statement, I love dancing. Yun ang I have specific statement. Bisa yung player dili Mobile Legends. Dili ito I love playing Mobile Legends. Specific statement. Yung mga describe kung anong love name mo na. Sa clarify, isa yung general statement, ano lang siya, one sentence siya. Okay, done? Done na? Dapat yung general statement ha, kay one sentence na siya. Di mo pwede may na I love dancing because blah 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 blah. Finish, around finish. Okay, so, kamusta ka na, Philippines? Ayun? Okay, everybody. Kamusta ka? Start to explain? Yeah, okay, so I have here your papers. Ako na siyang i-check tonight. And karon, ako ibasa sa kay Kamo. From Celine. Celine. Okay, should I okay na kami now. Iyang general statement kay I love taekwondo. I love playing taekwondo. Una yung general statement. Iyang specific statements kay it gives me power and it makes me feel happy every time I train myself. I make that my mother will be proud of me and I make sure that every moment feels special and enjoyable. Sometimes I feel tired but still I make it happy and enjoyable. Diba? Ako na siya ay tingnan pa write o general statement and then specific statement. Diba ako sa high kay if magsulat ka, especially kanang diary na to kay diba ito mga ideas kay Wakat. So if magamit kong general statement o specific statement, inyong ideas kay magpasunod. Inyong ideas kay organize. Diba? Kaya na naman mo yung main idea which is the general statement, diba? So, naganiha, kasulat mo, diba? Na-organize ka, mabuti siya yung general statement. Dahil kabalo na mong musunod-sunod, diba? Diba? So, karon, mangita someone to explain sa iyong experience. Yes. Sa may experience. Hindi na experience na experience. Sa iyong mga sa inyong nakatunan sa iyong pagsulat. Yes. Kaya minaw ta. Okay, so ito ang palakpakan. So, lahat ng general and specific statements, kaya magamit mo lang siya if you write journalist, besides journalist diri. Ana, diary, kana magama mong essay, importante yung kayo na. Kaya para dili magwakat inyong mga ideas. Dili magwakat inyong mga thoughts. Diba? Okay, so karon, magpa-test na po ninyo. Okay? Ready na mo? Okay. Let's test your understanding about general statements and specific statements. Okay, so fast. Yes. So there are my 5 minutes. And 5 minutes starts now. Kanang info lang, share lang dahil sa 1 month lang tayo. Ayaw mo pag-like ang ngalan ha. decide kung asa diri ang general statement o asa ang specific statement. Okay? So don't worry, tanan lang magtagan. Basta ko lang. general statement and specific statement. Sige. thank you. So, yeah, example class, ay yung pagtuo sa general and specific statements kaya i-relate any classroom rules. So, bali, ang general statement is the classroom rules. At kanang support immediate sa relate any is specific statements which is kani. So, karon another question. What is the importance of knowing general statement and specific statement? Matabang ba din sa inyong everyday life?
Yes.
Like for example, unsa man kanang mag-essay, right? Unsa pa lain? Mag-journal. What else? Pwede, songwriter. Lyrics. Unsa pa lain? Kanang caption sa Facebook, kanang mag-post mo. Nanay na. Unsa pa lain? Mag-script, very good. You can apply general and specific statement in your everyday life because it can improve your writing skills, di ba? Mas ma-organize inyong mga ideas and thoughts. Okay, so for our last question, I have here, what did you find the most challenging? Identifying general statements or identifying specific statements? Asa mo mas naglisod sa general or specific?
Specific.
Ano naman? Sige, raise your hand. Need ba ng details? Yeah, you need to specify because if mag-specific statement ka, dapat imo i-consider ang uban ng mga information. Whereas in general lang, kahit broad lang, di ba? Okay, very good. And, okay, now you have already understood what is general and specific statements. I hope you will use this to improve your writing skills in either sa essay ninyo or journal ninyo or even kinsay mo pindinig mga journalism. And so I hope you would apply this learnings to your everyday life or in school. Okay? So for your assignment, okay, so for your assignment, watch at least 3 news broadcasts. For example, TV Control, Pagbaga Memorial Night, on television, and for each news item used, identify and write down one general statement. Isa ka general statement, please write this down. And summarize the idea sa note. And then mag-cite po mo one specific statement. So, one general statement, one specific statement. Okay? Ano yung butang, ma'am? Sa notebook kanino. Notebook, ma'am? Yes. Tandaan na?
Yes.
Kita ra sa likod?
Yes.
Okay. So, mag-cite mo one general and specific statements for at least 3 news. So, tuloy na siya set. Okay? Sulat na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Mana? So, that's all for today's lesson, class. Goodbye and